CalmCool, why can't I watch ads for bits? Yo bro, CalmCool, my PC doesn't let me watch ads for bits. Hey, CalmCool, I can't watch ads for bits. Please, CalmCool, tell me how to watch ads for bits. Why can't I watch ads for bits?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
What's going on, you guys? I'm your host Wesley, aka the CalmCoolSavage, and you're watching CCS TV. This is the new series on my channel dedicated to helping out amateur and beginner streamers on Twitch. Now, before we get into the video, smash like, smash subscribe. Up to recently, I thought anyone in the world could get free bits by watching ads, but I got so many comments saying I can't watch ads that I had to look into it. So I went to Google and started searching why I can't watch ads on Twitch. And what I found was some shocking news. Unfortunately, if you live outside the US, you can't watch ads for bits. You can only watch ads for bits if you live in the US. Right below it says how it works, desktop website. Bits for ads is only available on our desktop website only for viewers in the US. I don't think this is right at all. I think free bits should be available to everyone across the world. Free the bits! I'm just saying, if people all over the world would be able to watch ads to get these bits, Twitch would probably make twice as much money from the ads. So I have no clue why Twitch does this, you guys. I apologize if in the last videos you thought you can get free bits, but if you don't live in the US, you can't get free bits. But if you do live in the US, you can get free bits. And this is how. On Twitch's help website, it tells you how to get free bits for watching ads on Twitch in the US. All you have to do is go to any channel where bits are activated, click on the bits icon in the chat entry window, click the get bits button on the bottom of the menu. If you're eligible to watch an ad for bits, you will see a button at the top that says watch ad. You're gonna wanna click that button. This should launch a short video ad. Watch to completion. Occasionally, you may be asked to complete a short survey instead of watching an ad to receive bits. When you complete, you will get a notification that you have earned bits. It may take a short while for the bits to appear in your inventory. And there you have it. That's the reason why you can't watch ads to get free bits on Twitch. I feel like someone needs to start a petition so we could free the bits to the world. Why the US is hogging all the free bits, I don't know. Comment down below if you think there's a conspiracy. If you like this video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this quick video. Remember, we're all amazing people capable of amazing things. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage. Why can't I watch ads for bits?